got your Andromedas here. You've got two, it's a little bit out of control here from your perspective just because it's a little close to the driveway and then you can't really get in, get through. So the easy part first, these guys that are like popping up, you would come in and you can go down to see where the new growth is coming in. You can go down to here, right here,
okay.
Or you could do this, okay? Or you could do something more like all the way down here. See this guy here, okay?
Yep.
So that solves all the little bits that are popping up everywhere.
Okay.
What you have to do here though, because you have like 2 feet now that you're losing of your driveway, I think because you maybe want to keep the height because it's nice. What that means then is you have to kind of take off the whole branch that's going this way. So for example, this guy here, see how it is responsible for all of this growth here?
Yeah.
I would actually go all the way back here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because otherwise you'll have a stub. There's no obvious place
Yeah.
to cut. So you go all the way back, and then what you have is, you could actually make this very tall, right? And just be walking under it.
That's kind of cool.
That's kind of cool.
I like that.
Or you could bring it way down like we discussed if you wanted. You have to just sort of get in there and experiment a little bit.
I like
Go
it.
back to the branch, the origin of the branch.
Okay.
And little bit at a time.